Hi everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to another recipe video. So today we are going to be making a vegan minestrone that is SOS-free. And if you have my recipe book, Deliciously Plant-Based, this recipe is in this book. However, if you don't have the recipe, I will be leaving the recipe on my website at purelivingnutrition.com, and I'll go ahead and leave the link down below for you to check out. I will also be using an Instant Pot for this recipe, so if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use the regular pot to cook this recipe. You would just double the time. Also, this is a gluten-free recipe, so in my book, I just called for regular pasta, but to make it gluten-free, you want to just make sure you're using a gluten-free pasta. What I will be using today is a gluten-free pasta that I got from Trader Joe's that is primarily red lentil flour. So you can find red lentil flour pasta or any type of other gluten-free pasta at your regular store, or in my case at Trader Joe's. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our minestrone. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a try. It's again very easy to make. It's very hearty with the beans and the pasta and all the various vegetables. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so to receive weekly videos on different recipes and healthy tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Thank you guys for visiting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.